Introducing the next great advance in waterless washing products, the Wash Wax Mop, a faster, easier, and safer way to waterless wash. Now you can waterless wash and wax with the reach and leverage of an extension pole. This allows you to clean a much larger area faster and with less effort, while also eliminating the safety hazards associated with constantly climbing and moving a ladder. The Wash Wax Mop is the only mop with two independent sides, one wet and one dry. The mop head features two soft and absorbent washable wraparound chenille microfiber pads to protect delicate surfaces. The Wash Wax Mop was originally developed as a better way to waterless wash and wax aircraft, but we later learned that our unique patent-pending design is also excellent for all types of vehicles, including RVs, boats, cars, trucks, and buses. Here is how to use the Wash Wax Mop. First, spray the wet side of the mop and the area to be cleaned with Wash Wax ALL. Next, wipe the surface with the wet side. Then, simply flip over the mop to the dry side and dry the area. Our products have been a customer favorite for over 2 decades for one simple reason: they work. At Aero Cosmetics, we are constantly researching and developing new products and ways to help our customers. Visit washwax.com to order your Wash Wax Mop in the money-saving Internet Special today.